How to set the margins for a strip on Wix. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, obviously, we can all create strips, but we can also adjust the margins to them. So if you have a specific design in mind and you want to set up the margins for them, feel free to follow along. Now, I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but this is going to be for the default Wix, and we're going to be using the default Wix editor, not Wix Studio. Now, with that being said, let's just go and get to the video. First, you'll need to just go ahead and open up your site and click on Edit Site and open up your site editor. I said site quite a lot now. Anyways, once this loads in, I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to go ahead and open up a new section or add a new section. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add a strip. So far so good. To add a strip, obviously we'd want to go to add elements, go to strip, and then just add any. I'm just going to add this one with a different color so we can see it properly. Okay. So now that we have our strip, to set up the margins for it, it's quite simple. You just want to go ahead and highlight the strip and click on it. So once you click on it and you see this strip, that means you're good to go. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on you can see the settings tab here or the toolbar. Click on the stretched or this arrow with two heads. Click on it. And then you will see the stretch strip or the margins for the stretch. So here we have screen and page. If you set it up to be page, it's actually going to take the size of what's visible in the page here. So between these two lines. So I'm just going to set it up to be page, and you can actually see it's automatically going to take that specific size. But if you just go to screen instead, you can actually go ahead and play around with the margins and do it yourself. So we can just go and increase this, and you can actually see how far we can actually go. So it's still going to be as far as we can get when it comes to it. So if you want it to be more, then unfortunately you cannot. But it's going to be the limit here. So you can increase the margin to however you like. If the design is going to be suitable for you for 104, you can just go for that, or increase it or decrease it. Now, some people have some problems to find this option when they have multiple different columns. So if we just go to layout, add column, and they click on it and they don't end up seeing the margins tab anywhere or the option. So if this is the case for you, you just want to go in and click away from the strip and just click on the strip once. And this did click on the section, not the strip. So let's click on the strip one more, and you will see that this is going to show up. But once you click on either side, it's actually going to disappear. So again, just click away, click on the section, click on the strip. You should find it, and you can feel free to, again, adjust the margins. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.